now we are gonna have so much fun and do a cute Pizza Garland DIY. Are you ready, Santwon?
I'm ready to do this.
Okay, let's get started. So first, what I've already done here for you is I painted it yellow because this is like an awesome square. You can just buy these at your local dollar store, and you paint the bottom yellow to look like a pizza. And as you can see from our garlands here, we've done the different people of the crew who I love have already decorated it. But Santwon and I are finally getting our chance to decorate.
Should we start with a shot or not?
I don't have a shot.
Actually, you do.
What? How did this happen? All right, we have to start a shot because we do this anyway when we hang out. Cheers.
Ow.
Oh, that was strong. All right, so what I have here is some sequins. We have some acrylic paint.
Oh, girl.
We have crayons. And look, I even got you. I got some moss.
I'm gonna have to Uber, girl. I'm lit. All right, so we put this on here like this.
Yeah. I'll just use.
You just rip it?
Yeah, you just rip it and then do some moss. Oh, that's cute.
See? What is this supposed to be?
What? That's moss that you use to like do floral designing and stuff.
That's right. Oh, wait, I can, you know what?
What are you gonna do?
Watch this. See, this what I'm about to do. I'm about to put some sequins on this. This is about to be real cute. Watch this.
All right. Santwon, you know we've been friends for 2 years already?
That's it?
Wait, no, 3 years. I'm so bad with math.
Her mom hates me. She really doesn't like me, y'all. Like for real, like on the lowest of keys, her mom does not like me. It's so bad.
But she loves you as a friend for me though.
She can't stand me.
Why do I feel like I'm making a Christmas pizza? Look at this.
That's cute.
I know.
Your mom seriously thinks I'm like possessed.
No, she doesn't.
She thinks I'm of the devil.
No, she doesn't.
She's great. She's great.
Oh my God.
She really does think I need mental help though, but whatever.
That's accurate.
Shout out to moms because they're the best cooks ever.
They are. What's your favorite meal that your mom made for you?
I will say my mom can really, really like kill some mac and cheese. Like
what?
She doesn't.
She has like the crumbs and stuff on it?
She kills it. Yeah, she's got all this like special stuff she does. Like I don't know what it is, but it's perfect. It's amazing.
Ooh. Wait, your pizza's looking really cool though. Like what do we got here so far?
But like my slice is kind of crusty. Why is it folded like that?
I don't know. You left it in the oven too long, honey.
Look at me burning shit up. See? Mm-hmm. See, now we're ready. I think my pizza's done.
So for this amazing DIY project, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com, and I'll see you there.